So we are continuing with the bar chart, okay, and let us see that how to draw a bar chart, okay, the list elements in multi-line, and as well as one more program we will do today, that is to the bar chart showing the choice of favorite movies among the people. All right, so this to do. Once again, I'll just recap once that what is bar chart, so it will give you just a revision, So this is the two list elements using a bar chart. So what is bar chart? A bar chart represents categorical data with rectangular bars. Each bar has a height which corresponds to the value it represents. It is useful when we want to compare a given numeric value on different categories. It can also be used to two data series. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. It's a very commonly used two-dimensional data visualization made up of rectangular bars, each for a specific category, with its length representing the value of the category. Additionally, what can we do else? We can configure other characteristics for the chart like width of the bars, colors, title, legend, among others. The x-axis will be a range with the same quantity of items as the y-axis. Okay, that should not be unmatched. Here you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all everywhere there are 5 elements have been taken, and here you can see the y level has been taken. Sorry, the first one has taken bars 1 and second one has bars 2 as level. Color has been red. Otherwise, if I don't give the color, it will be taken by the matplotlib. All right, and here slash n has been used in order to in order to break the line into two. Okay, bar graph with multi-line title, and legend will show as usual, and plt dot show, what is the function of plt dot show, that is just the showing the plot, and plt dot bar, and plt dot bar is drawing the bar graph, plt dot x level and y level is giving the x-axis, y-axis level. All right, so that is the thing. So here one thing is that we have not used any plot because bar is already there. All right, so that's the thing. So now you see that how this program to execute, okay, run, okay, anytime you can manipulate the value here. Okay, so you see how the chart is coming. Yes, you can see out here. So very usefully you can see uh, the plotting and all, how it is very easy to understand. 2,6 you can see out here, 2,6 plot has been done, 4,7 has been done. Okay, that is the thing. Here you see 1,7 has been done, so 0 and 1, here is 2,6 has been done. In this way it is actually taking place. Okay, so 1,7, 2,6, 4,7, and then we are having the 3,8, all these things. Okay, 3,8 has been taken. Okay, so the thing is that, so it is just like corresponding the value. You can, if you want to increase one more value, you can increase also. But the thing is, suppose I'm making out here 12, okay, 10, 12, and here I'm making out here as a 5, all right, and here also I'm making one. No, I'm keeping this one value out here, and 6, 6 are there, and here also I'm making say 11, and here I'm making say uh, say 6. All right, so now you see I'm plotting the chart, you see out here. Okay, so in this way what is happening, whenever the values will be given, you have to plot the charts. You see the similarity, you can tally with this with this bar 1, and this is the bar 1 chart. You can see the bar 1 chart has been drawn first. Okay, 2,6 is here, 2,6 is here, and 4,7 is here. You can see for the bar 1, 6,8 is there, this one you can see, and 8,2 is there. Here it is 8,2, here 8, here it is 2. So in this way you can tally what are the value has been taken in the list, whether it is coming or not. So these are also known as data series. So this is with a bar graph with multi-line title. You can see plt.title has been fixed out here. So in this way you will draw this plot two list elements using a bar chart. So that is the thing. So suppose movie and whatever values will be given, class and section, class and students name, you can draw in the same way by taking two data series in two different lists. Okay, so carry on with practicals and do nicely. Yes, once more, the bar chart that is showing the choice of favorite movies among the people. So the second bar chart we will see this is the program. So you will see how this is to be done. Okay, how this is to be done. You can see out here. Yes, this is the plotting. This is the plotting over here. That is actually not the thing. That is the bar chart only. You can see out here once more bar chart. Okay, but next time I'm showing you the that particular things first to see once how this is to be done. Yes, that's bar graph with multi-line by manipulating the values. All right. So here it is quite clear. The bars one is this one and bar chart is this is another bar chart has been created. All right. So that is the thing. So the values to be taken in such a way that otherwise you will not be able to understand this how it is being plotted out here 3 comma 4 bars 1 and other two are not being shown out here. Okay, because the plotting has not been done properly, that's why it does this thing. So you have to change the plotting whenever you are drawing the bar chart. All right, so you do it practically, and if you have doubt you can ask me also in the same. So here it is, just you see x is 3 comma 4, where it is 3 comma 4, here it is 3 comma 4, how this has been drawn. 6 comma 6 has been given, that's why it has not been shown. The two has become identical, but the program is correct. Program is correct, there is no such but problem with the values. You have to plot it in a proper way, that is the thing. So this is, you can try out to plot it properly. Practically you should try it. All right. Okay, so little bit, if I am just changing this one, you see what is coming. Okay, so the thing is that I'm just change this one now. uh, yes. All right. Now just going back over there once again, I'm just opening this particular thing. uh, Wait, so file, yeah, this particular file, and then a module. It is appearing, yes. Okay, this has been done, but this has been it has to be done little, the values to be changed properly. All right, that's the thing here. Okay, otherwise it is fine, there is no problem with the program. Okay, this is the using, just a minute. Yes, this is the program. All right. Now you see I'm executing this program. So run module. This run module, what it will do, you see out here. Um, this will just show a particular movie and its different types. Okay, suppose someone likes comedy and what his favorite movie is comedy, and how this is taken, you see out here. Again we have used the numpy out here. Okay, movies have taken different way, that is the different categories, I mean, comedy is there, action is there, romance is there, drama is there, and then some more are there like fiction and travel. Okay, and NP don't range length movies. Length movies means this is the length actually is taken, whatever be the length that is actually taken as width. Okay, align is equals to center types 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 10. Okay, 4, 5, 5, 6, 1, 4, and then has been taken 10. This is the types. This many people are actually in each category. These many people are there who like this particular type of movies, and lane movies has been taken. So y post actually is this is actually, this is the one actually calculating this one. So whenever we are plotting this bar, we have to give this y post, so it will give you the width and all. Y post types align center color equals to red, and y post comma movies and levels has been given as viewers. Okay, here, and favorite type of movie is that chart title has been given. No legend has been put out here because it's not required. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, what is happening, you can draw, you can plot a bar chart showing the choice of favorite movie among the people. You can change also in this here. You can draw, you can make a comparison chart of the result in different subject of the students. Just what you have to do out here, you have to change this one subjects, and here types you have to make it as marks. Okay, try it out at home. Okay, and when you do the practical, okay, and you will get your result. All right, so in this way bar chart can be done. Okay, when the with the two lists, I mean there are two lists has been taken. One is Demonstrating like same the movie program how to manipulate this one. You see out here this movie program which I had shown you earlier. So now you're going back to the same program. What I will do, I will change here the this one as subjects. Okay, this one as subjects I will take, and you see wherever this one has to be changed. Suppose you have kept here English. Okay, English. Then you have kept out here accounts, then you kept out here your BST, and here you kept out here physical education. Okay, and here you keep, okay, your IP, and here you keep your what else is there, eco, huh? Sorry, here you can keep eco. All right, and then accounts the spelling is wrong. I'm changing it. And here what could you do is that here you can make, here you have to change everywhere. Then you have to make subject. All right, you see where the changes is taking place. Fine. Here you have to make what you have to make, subjects. Okay, fine. There is no problem. And here we will make a change. Types we will not change the variable. We will keep it like that. Or if you want, you can change it into marks. Suppose I've got 40, 55, 67, and then you have got say 56 once more. Not 56, 66 you have got 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, 45, and then 70 you have got, then 6 values have been given. If you want, you can give your marks also. You can change here, let's see, marks also. Okay, marks, and here also have to make the change, that is here marks. All right, mark the marks. Yes, that complete, that has been completed. Now you see, we'll just execute the program. Okay, I'll just save it as in a different name. Okay, here I'm coming, you see the practical steps I'm showing you how to change. All right, so I'm giving the name line chart subject marks. Okay, line chart subject marks, fine. Now I'm saving this program and I will execute this. Okay, let's see how it appears. Okay, run module. Subject is not defined. Subjects and subjects, spelling to be very careful here. It is given subjects, that's why there is an error. Okay, run and then Python module. Okay, go. See, the chart has been made out here. Okay, and you see that let us compare. Okay, what is that? English has got 40. Okay, fine. Accounts has got 55. One by one we are coming. Okay, here it is. Then BST, it is coming 67, almost 70. And then PSD, sorry, physical education is actually what? It is coming 66, almost like this. There are the 66 and 67 closer, and 45 has got in what you call IP, and economics has got 70. Fine. So this chart has been made. You have seen how to change the things practically and do practicals nicely of this particular chart. So what it is doing, it is actually taking the subject in one column, that is in the x-axis, and y-axis we have forgotten to change it into viewers. Here it will be marks. Okay, here it will be marks. So then it will be fine. Okay, favorite type of movie. Okay, as you can change it here into what you call subject marks. I'm showing you every steps to do the practical. Subject, sorry, subjects. Okay, subjects. All right. So now once more, just execute it in hurry. Okay, now it's just run module, and you see the total chart how it has been made. Okay, perfect. Yes, subject has come into title, and here it is coming marks. Okay, so the perfectly that particular practical job has been accomplished. So in this way you will do the practical. I have showed you the changes and all wherever necessary, and you must do it. All right, then you just thank you to all, and please do the implement the practical nicely. So I'm ending out here. Tomorrow some more programs I will come up with. Thank you, keep watching.